My name is Summer Dion Roper, and I've been using APOS therapy for 10 weeks now. Not having to take medication for pain, which can also have effects on your mood and like your energy and everything. I love it because I've been here for a year and a half, and I want to say for about a year of that, I haven't been able to do what I came to New York to do. So it's a little stressful and a little frustrating at times. I started dancing when I was 19. My number one goal is to win a Tony. I started feeling pain May of 2015. So I went to the doctor, gave me a prescription to go see a physical therapist, and I started working with them, but I was getting worse instead of better. And I probably cried once a week. And the very first appointment that I had for APOS, I had tons of pain in my back. I was walking like I was 85. They made me walk back and forth on the mat to like see what my stride was and how much time I was spending on each foot. He said, you can't wear them outside, so wear them at home when you get up, to get dressed in the morning, sit down. Don't stand in them for the majority of the time. And I was like, but how is that going to make me feel better? I like the part that it's scientific because I can actually see my progress. So like he showed me today what I did from day one to today. And my velocity was like 60 to 70. And now it's like 105. And I can definitely feel it like when I'm not in the shoes, when I'm just walking the streets of New York, because everything's so fast paced. I feel like my quality of life is better because I'm happy. I'm happier because I can walk, and I'm not in pain. Like, I value that I have this opportunity because I'm actually feeling progress. I feel like I'm getting better, so I can actually do what I came to New York to do. I think APOS therapy is, for me, it's a lifesaver. I mean, if it keeps going like this, I feel like I'll be able to do anything. So, like, I actually feel like my body is changing right now. It makes me really excited, actually.